Just a few more problems to, excuse me, to finish up this section. Now we're going to simplify with variables with odd powers. Now, guys, whatever values up here, it's understood to be a 2 right now, I have got to go evenly into this. And if I use that rule that we had earlier, I would probably rewrite this as x to the 4th times x, because I know that is going to be evenly divisible by my index there. This is another way to look at it, but we're using some of the properties that we had earlier. So let's look at this one. If I just take 1x away from that, it'll be an even power. So that would be x to the 5th square root of x. This one, oh, got my number. Got to think about this. Let's see. 4 would go into it, but it looks like I would have 12. 16, I believe 16 is my biggest, because 16 times 3 will give me 48. So let's rewrite this. Let me put my dot here. Anything in front of the dot is going to be able to get out from under the radical. So I'm going to have 16 there, 3 back here. I need to take just 1x away. This is still the exact same thing, but I'm splitting this up into its factors that I can pull off or out of the radical. And then some have to stay on. Won't you try this one? Pause me. And hopefully you came up with that. Last couple of problems, we have to multiply and then simplify. Okay, so let's multiply first, because I can multiply these and we'll see what we end up with. So that would give me 12x to the 11th. Remember, I add my exponents, but now I'm back using the things that I did up there. 12 is the same thing as 4 times 3. If I just take 1x away, it'll make me an even power up here. So this one should simplify to 2x to the 5th square root of 3x. Let me try this one. Won't you try this one? Pause me. So in front of my dot, let me see, I'm going to have a 25 there, 2 back here. All of x squared, that's odd, so I need to pull 1 away from it. So square root of all that, that would be a 5xy, and the square root of 2y is left. So now practice these problems and see how you do.